The Khyber Pass is a historic trade route that connects the Khyber Pakhtunkhwa to the Nangarhar province of Afghanistan. It has remained an integral part of the ancient Silk Road and has long had substantial cultural, economic, and geopolitical significance for the Eurasian trade. Throughout history, it has been an important trade route between Central Asia and the subcontinent, and a vital strategic military choke point for various states that came to control it. Even today, the Torkham border on the Khyber Pass still holds a very significant position in bilateral trade between Pakistan and Afghanistan. Every day, more than 800 vehicles cross the border on daily basis, carrying goods of estimated $2 billion annually in Pakistani exports. Also, on a daily basis, more than 6,000 Afghans cross the border to conduct business, visit hospitals, and get better education and economic opportunities. Unfortunately, the lucrative cross-border trade opportunities also give rise to smuggling opportunities for the bordering tribes of Afghanistan. For decades, Russian and American goods found their way into Pakistan due to the cross-border smuggling. To contain the infiltration of insurgents, human traffickers, and smugglers, the Pakistan Army undertook a massive task of fencing the 2,670-kilometer-long Pak-Afghan border. Now, with most of the border sealed and under surveillance, the smugglers have found a new way to smuggle goods into Pakistan. Meet the little smugglers of Torkham. These kids are being used as mules by the smuggling rings in Afghanistan to sneak goods across the border of Pakistan. Their cargo usually carries imported cigarettes, chocolates, silk thread, cloth, and a variety of other fast-moving consumer goods. As cute as these little children look playing in this cat and mouse game, they have become a nuisance for the border authorities of Pakistan. Due to poor economic conditions of Afghanistan border towns, these children resort to any means necessary to smuggle goods into Pakistan to make ends meet. Taking full advantage of the fact that Pakistani authorities do not arrest them or confiscate their cargo, these children use every trick in the book to illegally cross the border. This includes cutting the fence, scaling the immigration tunnel walls, and most dangerously hiding under and over trucks that cross the border. A 24/7 CCTV coverage of the terminal proves to be an effective tool in stopping them, but the lack of interest of Afghan authorities in stopping them keeps them coming. Being children, the Pakistani authorities don't arrest them like adults, and upon confiscating their cargo, the children cry their hearts out and cling onto their cargo as their livelihood depends on it. This dilemma will continue to haunt and taunt the Pakistani authorities till the time these children are taken off the streets and put in schools by Afghan authorities to promise them a better future. Only then can we put a stop to the smuggling rings who use their innocence for profits.